So the final bit of the build is fitting some injectors. We got 550cc Bosch injectors. I think they're from a Focus RS or an ST with some adapters. Courtesy of Oranges, well not courtesy, I bought them from Oranges, but when I was looking at how to fit these, there is literally no great videos on how to fit them. So I'm going to do a little video and just sort of explain on essentially the best way to fit these. It's not a big job, but you will need a remap. I've already got a tune downloaded ready to go on. It's a base map essentially, but it'll help it run for now whilst I take it to go and get a proper tune. So yeah, without further ado, let's crack on. Next, undo these clips here, they're little metal tabs, and obviously we've got 4 of them. Once you've got them all loose, it's 13mm bolt there, 13mm bolt here, and then the whole thing should lift out. So once you've undone the 2 bolts, pull the whole fuel rail out. Just be careful because it will leak fuel out of these holes, so have a rag handy. Essentially they're quite hard to pull out because on the end here are these tiny little rubbers, and it makes it, well, a good seal obviously. There's also one on the top for when you pull them out the fuel rail, if you are changing. I'm assuming you will be, otherwise you won't be watching this video. But there's a stock injector with the 2-pin. Oh my god, look how much shaky I am. So that's the 2-pin one. And as you can see, this is the new one with a much better 6-hole spray pattern. I'm going to take this cap off, stick it in there, and then you'll have already removed these little black clips to get the old injectors out. They just fit again and just sit underneath this lip here, and that just holds the injector in place. Basically just the reverse of what you've done to get everything off. So you've got the little connectors on the back. These are the new adapters to fit the 550cc injectors. I'm assuming they just sit here. They haven't really got anywhere else to go, so I'm just going to have to leave them there. I mean, the intercooler is going to go up on top, but so yeah, now it's download the base map and go and get it tuned. Please don't drive it after fitting these 550cc injectors without having the appropriate tuning. A lot of places will just say we'll fit them for you and tune it at the same time, so perhaps that's it. But I just thought I'd do a simple how-to because I found it quite difficult to find a video on how to do this job. So give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you like what you see, and we'll see you again next time.